welcome to another Charts of the Day video from Elliott Wave Analysis. My name is Eric, and today is the 4th of February around 10:15 p.m. And today we're gonna take a look at a popular stock, which is Facebook. Back in 2018, around November, we made this blog public to our followers around the planet, and in the blog we explained that Facebook have ended the all-time cycle and that Facebook was within an area of 135, 101, and that from there the market will decide if we're gonna go bounce and fail to around 60, or if the market does all the wave two is gonna take place. As we were at that moment expecting, the stock bounced from the blue box, and the blue box is nothing more than high frequency trading areas that we identify in the market, and we present to members explaining and telling them when to buy, when to sell. In this case, for example, a weekly trader, this is a weekly time frame, it should have bought Facebook right here. If you are at 1 hour, you need to look at the 1 hour, the specific day. Most likely we were cutting a little more lower, but at the end, the blue box was telling you that from that area, a bounce should come. That was back in November. Now, the instrument has bounced, and then, and here it has a low at 122. If we get back, that's the low. The area was for 135 to 101. So it ended bouncing in the middle of the area, and the bounce has come in a way of an ABC, in which it has a target to the upside of 172.61, 191. Now that's the 4 hour of Facebook, and this is the charts of the day. The charts of the day is showing that from the lows that Facebook did at 124, which is a major low across the market. Also, the index, in our view, it should make one more high. It comes in an impulse model 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the index now, our preferred view is that remain about this level or 163, or even this can be a running flat over here in the middle. This can be a flat, and the index even can see 163, 161 again. As far as do not overlap with this wave one, what we would like to see is that Facebook makes another push higher into this box between 172, 191, and then right there the market will decide which path it's gonna take in the highest time frame. So the main idea is that Facebook should be in a wave 4 that already ended, but if it does a flat, it can go to 63.59, and then the stock rally into this box. Getting back to the beginning of the video here, remember we should be someplace over here. From here, the instrument after ended, the stock after ended this cycle, it has a chance to either retest the low and rally over here and lower, or from here, from this blue box, the stock can make a new low. Also, it can trade into new highs. It's too early to tell. In Elliott Wave forecast, we have something that is called the Elliott Wave edging. No matter what the market does, the market, as far as it stays as. Remember, in Elliott Wave forecast, we act as computers. Over here, as far as the market stays below these levels over here, the market has two ways. Either it goes lower in this path into around 80, 60, or the market there, it can do 3 waves and then do 7 and go into this path and retest the highs, right? At the end of the day, what the main idea of the video is explaining the charts of the day that is doing an ABC so far from the lows. An ABC is a 535 structure with the target is 172.61, 191.13, that we should be in a wave 4 that we calling it completed at this moment, but we understand the possibility that it can be a flat in the X, and that the market can retest 63.59 again before the next high. Either way, from this blue box, the instrument has a biggest possibility that it will sell either in this or in 3 ways back. That's the charts of the day for the day, which is that Facebook, it should end the wave 4 and make a push to around the 172, 191 extreme area from here, and there the market will define the fate of the 4 hours and the daily path. That's how we see the market in Elliott Wave forecast. Very practical. The market trade within blue boxes. The next one comes here, and the wave 5, it should take us there, either from here or the market, it will do 63.59 before 172. At the end, at this stage, we don't like buying. I mean, it's kind of risky here. It's pretty close to the box already, but a short in this area can be taken against 191 and see Mr. Market decide which way it goes. At the end, nobody knows. But understanding the market nature, which is what I'm explaining, is what made people or traders a successful trader or a trader that it failed. The same way we knew over here that the stock, it will bounce from this area, and indeed it bounced from the area. The same way it should sell from this area in 3 and higher, or into another leg lower that it take it to the 80s, 70 area. Knowing the nature is the key. If you like the video, you can join us as a free trial for 14 days, but you're gonna learn how to see the market this way. So Facebook wave 4 either completed or a flat in the middle and another rally to complete this ABC from the lows. Thank you guys all. Have a good night and enjoy the video and the rest of the night. Thank you guys.